In the realm of content creation, from captivating YouTube videos to awe-inspiring full-length feature films, the importance of a powerful video camera cannot be overstated. Your choice of a camera holds the key to elevating the production values of your visual creations, bringing your artistic vision to life with unparalleled clarity and precision. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best video cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Step into the world of captivating vlogging with the Sony Alpha ZV1, crowned as the 5th best video camera and the ultimate choice for vlogging enthusiasts. Its 12.1 megapixel sensor delivers pristine 4K 60p footage, making every vlogging journey a visual feast. The ZV1's S-Cinetone color profile ensures stunning visuals straight out of the camera, eliminating the need for extensive post-production. Despite its portable size, it holds the title of the lightest Sony camera with in-body image stabilization, guaranteeing smooth, shake-free footage even when on the move. While the vari-angle display posed challenges outdoors and the absence of cooling vents raised concerns, the ZV1 shines in video stabilization. AI features maintain sharp focus, and auto-framing astutely tracks subjects, offering a lifelike touch to solo vlogging. In the realm of video cameras, the Sony Alpha ZV1 stands as a triumphant beacon, beckoning vloggers into a realm where creativity knows no bounds. Priced at $21.98 this mirrorless wonder boasts a compact design without compromising on video prowess. The Fujifilm XH2S isn't just a camera. It's a symphony of technological prowess, a cinematic maestro for both videographers and photographers. Ranked as the 4th best video camera, its sleek, mirrorless design houses a potent APS-C sensor boasting 26 megapixels. This hybrid marvel, with a price tag of $22.99 transcends the mundane, delivering video and stills with a finesse that leaves enthusiasts in awe. While lacking the retro allure of its Fuji predecessors, the XH2S compensates with unparalleled video capabilities. Its stacked CMOS sensor, combined with Fuji's X-Processor 5, propels it into a league of its own. Internal recording of 6.2K at 30 FPS, flaunting 4x2x2 10-bit color depth, paints a canvas of visual brilliance. Navigating its menus reveals a treasure trove of color grading profiles, making post-production a playground for creativity. Endurance is a virtue, evident as the XH2S breezes through 4K shooting for over 2 hours. Autofocus, while not groundbreaking, showcases impressive subject tracking. In-body image stabilization, an articulating touchscreen, and the absence of recording limits make this Fujifilm gem a versatile companion. The Sony A7S3 emerges as the triumphant maestro of cinematic brilliance, securing its place as the 3rd best video camera and the unrivaled champion among premium contenders. This mirrorless marvel wields a back-illuminated full-frame sensor, a virtuoso capturing 4K symphonies in diverse lighting with a breathtaking 15 stops of dynamic range. Its 12.1 megapixels resolution might seem modest, yet the powerful Bionz XR processor orchestrates 4K at 12 FPS for ethereal slow-motion poetry. A video virtuoso in challenging conditions, the A7S3 boasts a robust feature set, a full-size HDMI output, unparalleled autofocus, and support for various picture profiles, including the revered S-Log. Usability reaches new heights with a fully articulating touchscreen and an extended battery life, offering over 75 minutes of 4K enchantment on a single charge. The A7S3, a symphony of innovation and performance, transcends its predecessors with an intuitive UI, making it the ultimate muse for intermediate to expert creators. This masterpiece comes at a price that echoes its prowess, $34.98, an investment in a visual odyssey beyond compare. Panasonic's Lumix S52 emerges as a beacon of innovation in the realm of video cameras, earning its spot as the second-best choice. This updated version, standing true to its predecessor's compact stature, offers a reassuringly solid build that fits comfortably in hand. The control layout, adorned with dedicated dials and buttons, feels intuitive and only lacks a tally light. The Lumix S52 is a cinematic maestro, excelling particularly in video production. Its 6K at 30p footage boasts exceptional quality with vibrant colors and an expansive dynamic range. Noteworthy is the 10-bit recording capability across various resolutions and frame rates. The camera's uncropped footage, utilizing the full 3:2 aspect ratio, adds a layer of versatility for content creation. Marking a milestone for Panasonic, the S52 introduces phase detection AF for video, delivering a dreamlike performance. Coupled with highly effective image stabilization, it becomes a go-to choice for on-the-go videographers despite the slight limitation of a 1.5 times crop in 4K 60p video, priced at $1424. Enter the realm of cinematic excellence with the Nikon Z9, a groundbreaking marvel that transcends the boundaries of traditional photography. Crowned as the #1 choice for video enthusiasts, this full-frame flagship redefines the art of visual storytelling. Shedding the shackles of a mechanical shutter, the Z9 embraces a bold, rugged DSLR styling, seamlessly blending familiarity with modernity. At its core lies a 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, a technological symphony that delivers superlative image quality, offering vast cropping possibilities complemented by impeccable image stabilization. Boasting a cinematic candy store for filmmakers, it records 8K 30p footage, 4K slow-mo at 120 FPS, and features reliable IAF tracking. With an impressive 20 FPS RAW and 30 FPS JPEG continuous shooting rate, the Z9 dances effortlessly between stills and motion. Priced at $5496, the Z9 stands as a testament to Nikon's commitment to excellence. A forthcoming firmware upgrade promises even more, including the groundbreaking ability to shoot raw 8K 60p video internally, a first in the realm of mirrorless cameras. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.